Okay, this is the last video on solving equations. In this video, we're going to use the distributive property a little bit. Okay, so let's get to it. Here's example 1. Make that actually a little bit smaller here. Okay, this is the final video on solving equations. So here's example 1, and the directions for all these problems are going to be to solve. Okay, so first we have 6 is equal to negative 2 times k minus 2. Okay, so we're going to draw a vertical line through the equal sign. And then we're going to use the distributive property. Okay, we need to distribute negative 2 to both k and negative 2. Right, so negative 2 times k and negative 2 times negative 2. Okay, when we do that, we get that 6 is equal to negative 2 times k is negative 2k, and negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Okay? Now, and sorry, I forgot an important step. Remember, we drew the vertical line. We want to write the goal. Okay, so on this problem, we're going for k is equal to a number. All right. So next step is, on this side, on the right-hand side, we want k. Right now it's negative 2 times k plus 4. We want to get rid of the positive 4 first, so we minus 4 and minus 4 both sides. Horizontal line, and then simplify. Okay, so this guy cancels. And we're left with 2 is equal to negative 2k. Okay, now we're almost there. Okay, but in negative 2 times k, to get k by itself, we need to divide by negative 2. Okay, so we do that on both sides and get a horizontal line. Okay, notice this guy will cancel. And we're left with k is equal to 2 divided by negative 2 is negative 1. All right, and that's it. Let's go through a couple more example problems. Okay, for example 2, the problem is negative x plus 2 is equal to negative 5. Okay, so vertical line. And now on this problem, remember, there is something right here. There's a 1. Right, so when we distribute, we're distributing a negative 1 to both x and to 2. Okay, when we do that, negative 1 times x is, negative x, negative 1x. And then negative 1 times 2 is minus 2. Okay. Cool. And then we want to write out the goal of the problem. Remember, it's to find x is equal to a number. Okay. And so now we want to take in add 2 to both sides. So add 2, horizontal line, and simplify. Okay, notice we get that negative x is equal to negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. Okay, and now here, remember this is a negative 1, so we're going to divide by negative 1 and divide by negative 1. Cool, until this guy cancels, and we're left with x is equal to positive 3. Okay, final problem here. We'll do one last example. Okay, on example 3, the problem is negative 18 is equal to 3 times p minus 2. Okay, so we got our vertical line. We'll write in our goal that p is equal to a number. Okay, and now we need to distribute the 3 to both p and to negative 2. Okay, when we do that, we get that negative 18 is equal to 3 times p is 3p. Okay, and then 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Okay, now we want to get p by itself. We have 3p minus 6. So we want to start by adding 6 to both sides. Okay, and simplify. Okay, so negative 18 plus 6 is negative 12, and that's equal to 3p. Cool. And then lastly, we want to divide by 3 on both sides. Horizontal line. Notice 3 divided by 3 cancels, right? And we're left with 1p is equal to negative 4. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.